This is the circuit number 3 in the Arduino book. We are controlling a small toy motor with the Arduino. So we have the ground cable and the positive cable still hooked up to the Arduino. We have a controlling cable from pin number 9 to our breadboard, which passes through a 2.2 kilo ohm resistor to a transistor. The transistor has 3 pins. One pin is for the ground, one pin is for the current coming in, and one pin is for the current coming out. The transistor allows a high flow of current through it to power our toy motor. The exit current out of our transistor is going to a diode. The diode is basically maximizing the voltage for 40 volts and a maximum current of 600 milliamps to prevent us from frying our toy motor. It then goes from the diode to our toy motor and then back again, and it goes to ground. Our toy motor is set to spin on high, so our controller is sending a high output to control our toy motor.
Initial code or program is motor on, then off. It is on for a given amount of time, so it runs for 2500 milliseconds, and then it is turned off, and it waits 1000 milliseconds before it repeats the process and turns itself back on. So essentially this is turning it high, or the power to high. It delays it a certain amount of time, and then it turns the power back to low to turn it motor off, and then waits a certain given time. So the on time is this, of 2500 seconds. The off time is 1000 milliseconds. So then down here we have the motor on and then off with speed. So to control the speed of the motor when it's on, we have on speed, which is 200, and then we have a time that it runs, which is 2500 milliseconds. We then turn it to a low speed, which is essentially off, and we run it, or we delay for 1000 milliseconds while it's off. So this is the motor on, or the code to turn the motor on. This is the code to delay it for whatever given milliseconds we told it to. This is to turn the motor off, which is essentially turn the power off. And then this is the given, or the delay of the given time that we tell it to turn off. So at the bottom here, we have the acceleration, which tells the motor how to accelerate. So we have a delay of 50 milliseconds between each speed step, which basically increases or decreases the speed given what we're telling it to do. And these are the two: acceleration and then deceleration. And that is the code for the motor.